Alright guys, so today's video is about how to get WhatsApp messages like this on your smartwatch. Let's get down to business. The first thing to do here is to download mediatek Smart Device app. It is not available on Google Play Store, but it's available on Apple App Store. So if you are using an iPhone, just go and download it. Now to do that on Android, you go to your Google Chrome or your browser, go to apkpure.com. Search for apkpure.com. and it's going to open up apkpure.com like this. Then use the search bar up here, close the advert, and type in mediatek Smart Device. As you can see, it is here. Select download, and you are going to see it at the download page, which is here. Now, this is an old version. Just select download APK file. As you can see, it says download file again. I have downloaded my own file, but if you are doing it for the first time, you are going to see download file. So let's go ahead and download it. As you can see, it's here. So I'm going to open it and install it. mediatek Smart Device app installed. Now you launch it and make sure you grant all permission for mediatek Smart Device app to work on your smartwatch. Whatever smartwatch you are using, this is going to work. Okay, most smartwatch it will work. So let's continue down here. It says this app is built for older version of Android. It may not work properly. Don't worry, just select OK. And here, enable notifications, select OK. And now find mediatek Smart Device on your notification access page and select the option here and allow notification access. Then allow once again. And now you can press your back option, and select switch mode. Switch it to GAAP. All right. So here on your smartwatch, come to your smartwatch, make sure the Bluetooth visibility is switched on. Okay, I'm going to go to my settings of my smartwatch, go to my Bluetooth settings, make sure my Bluetooth power is switched on like this. As you can see, the Bluetooth power is switched on, the Bluetooth visibility is switched on. Both must be switched on. You can also swipe up and see your Bluetooth icon and make sure it is toggle on like this. Okay, so now you can now tap on the watch image to connect it up. As you can see, it has discovered my T500 here and some other smartwatches here which are on the list. So one is right here on my wrist and another one is on the table here, which is the reason why you are seeing the unknown devices on the list. So it can recognize T500, so we select T500 and it's going to connect to the smartwatch. As you can see, it is connected, T500 connected. Let's select find device to search for the watch, and it is ringing truly on our smartwatch. You can see mediatek Smart Device showing on the watch. Now the next thing to do is, if you want to change the watch face of your smartwatch, just come to this my application. When you select my application, it's going to take you to this page where you can install downloaded watch face. Now, if you want to get WhatsApp notification, come to notifications here. When you select it, it's going to take you to personal app. Here, you are going to find your WhatsApp option. When you get the WhatsApp option, make sure it is toggle on. So let's search for WhatsApp on the list. And here is our WhatsApp. As you can see, it is toggle on. If it's switched off like this, you are not going to get any WhatsApp notification. But if you want to get WhatsApp notification, make sure your WhatsApp is toggle on like this. And that is how you can get WhatsApp notification on your smartwatch. As you can see, it is showing MTK Smart Device. Now, let's test out this WhatsApp notification on our smartphone. So I'm going to send hi there. Have you subscribed? So let's see if it's going to go. All right, we have sent that. Now it is on our smartphone. And let's see if it's going to drop on our smartwatch. All right, so you can see it's on our smartwatch right now, and you can just select it. You are going to get a notification that you have a WhatsApp message on your watch. So you are not going to see the message, you are just going to see that you have a notification from WhatsApp. Okay, so that is how it works using mediatek Smart Device. So that is how to get WhatsApp message on your smartwatch. If you have any question, please drop it down there in the comment section, and I'll reply you as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next video showing right on your screen. Bye for now. Peace.